You have a 2007 to 2013 Chevy Silverado. You want to do some DIY repairs that are going to save you money? That's what we're going to talk about. Brakes, they're extremely expensive if you have someone do them, and you can save a lot of money if you do them yourself. We have tons of videos on how to replace brakes for this vehicle and many other vehicles. Shocks and struts, they're fairly easy on this vehicle, and if you buy them with the coil spring attached, you don't need any special tools. Headlights, whether they're foggy or broken, they're fairly easy to replace. You take out the grille, there's a couple of screws on top, there is a screw underneath that you can get to from the wheel well, and then the headlight slides right out. You don't generally have to take the bumper off to do these. Taillights, they're actually really simple. Pop the tailgate open, there's two screws, Phillips head screws, take those out, they slide out, put the new ones in, good to go. So there's some things you can do that's going to save you a ton of money. If you enjoyed this video or to help you out, make sure you subscribe to our channel, ring the bell, turn on all notifications so you don't miss any of our videos.